Okay, welcome to this aspect of mathematics again, and here we are going to look at conversion between non-decimal bases, conversion between non-decimal places. And what are we going to do under this conversion between non-decimal places is to convert from one base to another. That means a base that is not in base 10 to another base that is also not in base 10. And here we have, let's look at the following examples. Example 1, in this case, convert 133 base 4 to base 6 to number to base 6. Now, for us to convert this number from base 4 to base 6, firstly you are going to convert it to base 10. Then from base 10 you now convert it back to base 6. So converting it to base 10, as you are going to look at, you have it in step 1, and what you have in step 1 is convert 133 base 4 to base 10. And if you want to convert to base 10, that means you are going to expand to the power of the base. Now remember what we have discussed about that. That's going to be 1 times 4 plus 3 times 4 plus 3 times 4. This is 0, 1, and 2. So this is going to give us 1 times 16 plus 3 times 4 plus 3 times 1. So here is going to be 16 plus 12 plus 3, and that will give us 31 base 10. So now what we need to do is we have converted from base 4 to base 10. So we can see here that therefore 133 base 4 is equal to 31 base 10. So you can now convert the 31 base 10 to the required base, which is the base 6. So that's, we can have that as step 2. For step 2, you can see that then convert 31 base 10 to base 6. And if you are doing that, converting it to base 6, how will you go about that? Your normal division, this is 31, and here you have your remainder, and you have 6 here. 6 goes in 31, that is 5, remainder 1, and 6 goes in 5, is 0, remainder 5. So you track it up in reverse order. So therefore we can say that 133 base 4 is going to be 51 base 6, and that is how you solve the question, just like that. You can see as simple as it is. So you can pause the video as you have the second question and see how you can solve the second question. Now that's example 2. For example 2, example 2 says convert 746 base 8 to base 5 Same thing as what you have done over there. Let's see what we have for the solution. We have this step 1. Step 1 is convert 746 base 8 to base 10 to base 10, and we are doing that by expansion. So that's going to be 7 times 8 plus 4 times 8 plus 6 times 8. You have 0, 1, and then 2. So from here, we could see what we have here. So it's going to be 7 times 64 plus 4 times 8, then plus 6 times 1. And when you look at that, this is going to be 448 plus 32 plus 6, and that will give us 486 base 10. Okay, now taking 486 base 10 to the required base, so you can say therefore 746 base 8 is equals to 486 base 10. So you can now convert 486 base 10 to base required base, which is the base 5. So step 2 is now to convert 486 base 10 to base 5, which is the required base 5. And you can do that by the division. That is 486, and this is where you have remainder, then you have 5 here, and from there we could see that 5 goes there. This is 97, then remainder 1, you have 5, that's 19, remainder 2, you have 5, and that's going to be 3, remainder 4, and you have 5, that is 0, remainder 3. So it is going to be up this direction. So therefore we could see this like this. So therefore we could say that 7, or number first, 486 base 10 is equals to 3421 base 5. So therefore the question that we have, that 746 base 8 is now equals to 3421 base 5, and that is what we have as the answer. You can see the way it has been demystified for you in a step-by-step way for easy understanding. And let's see what we have in the third example. Example 3. You can actually pause any of this example and revise it again to understand. And here we have express 125 base 7 to a number in base 5 to a number in base 5, and you can see the solution. In the solution, first thing you are going to do is to actually convert. That's what we have as step 1. Step 1, convert the 125 base 7 to base 10 and if you are doing that, we are going to have it as 1 times 7 plus 2 times 7 plus 5 times 7, 0, 1 and 2. And this is going to be 1 times 49 plus 2 times 7, then plus 5 times 1. So this is 49 plus 14 plus 5. So here we are going to have that plus 14 plus 5, that's 68 base 10. 68 base 10. Then you need to convert this base 8 base 10. Let's have that here. You have the step 2. Step 2 is you convert 68 base 10 to base 5, which is the required base 5. And let's use this method. We have 68, we have 5, and we have remainder. 5 goes in 68, that's 13, remainder 3. 5 goes in 13, that's 2, remainder 3. And 5 goes in 2, that's 0, remainder 2. So you are tracking it up. So that's how it's going to be. So from here, we could say that what we now have in the question is 125 base 7 equals to 233 base 5, and that is the final answer to that question. As you can see, the way it has been demystified and solved for you step by step, and yeah, this is what we are going to be looking at. Now let's still solve one more example and see, or even 2 more examples. Let's see what we have in the other examples. Now we have example 4. That is convert 431 base 5 to octal number. Octal number is base 8. So let's see what we have in this solution. So we have your step 1. What do you have in step 1? Convert 431 base 5 to base 10. Base 10. So in that case, this is going to be 4 times 5 plus 3 times 5 plus 1 times 5, 0, 1 and 2. And what will that be? That's going to be 4 times 25, then plus 3 times 5 plus 1 times 1. And in that case, that's become 100 plus 15 plus 1, and that really was 116 base 10. Now that you have it in 116 base 10, and you want to convert the number to base 8, so we are going to convert. So step 2 is we are going to convert 116 base 10 to base 5. So you are moving from this to base 8. Base 8. So that means we are going to use 8, 116 remainder, and you have 8 here. 8 goes in 116, that's 14, then remainder 4, 8, and that's going to be 1 remainder 6, and 8, that's going to be 0 remainder 1, and that is the number tracked up. So you can see that from here the number that you are given, 431 base 5, will be equals to 164 base 8. 164 base 8. And that's how we solve the question, as you can see. If you have any other question or anything that bothers you about this aspect, please put it in the comment section below. And this is coming from Covenant Achievers Academy, and presently we are having online classes where you can join for free online classes. And how do you join? There's a WhatsApp link in the under this video or below the video in the comment section. So in the comment section you are going to see the WhatsApp link that you are going to use to join the class. Ensure that you subscribe, you like, and you share this video. So this is basically for JAMB, and just to prepare every student for JAMB examination. And every question we are treating here is based on the curriculum of JAMB question or JAMB examination. So ensure you share it and subscribe to have more information about this. And that's under the comment section. Check the comment section and join the WhatsApp group that is there. And that is where you'll be having so many explanations and questions based on what the exam is all about. So see you in class as you join the free classes. Thank you.